How to change Cash App Bitcoin address. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your Cash App Bitcoin address. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing your Cash App Bitcoin address is actually not possible, and let me explain to you why. So what is a Bitcoin address? You first have to understand that. When you first open up Cash App and when you first sign up for a Bitcoin wallet, then you most likely get a default series of numbers and letters, and that basically is called your Bitcoin wallet address. Now, I want you to think about when you're actually creating a bank account. What do? You create a bank account. Your bank actually provides you a random series of numbers that you can't really change, and that basically is your bank account number. It is your permanent address, and you will not be able to change that even if you contact with the bank themselves. So that is the thing with your Cash App's Bitcoin address as well, because it is a random one. Cash App is going to provide that to you, your Bitcoin wallet address. If you think it is much of a hassle, then you can basically just scan the QR code out of it, so that when people want to deposit Bitcoin to your wallet address, they can scan the QR code and then send the money to you. But to give you a basic idea of the context, it isn't really possible to change the Bitcoin address. As I said earlier, just think about it like a bank account number. Can you change it? Absolutely not. So I hope this video helped you understand a question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.